Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to Glamour Mode. This is episode 1 of our fall fashion series, and today I'm sharing 10 effortless outfit ideas that will keep you chic, cozy, and confident all season long. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into your new fall wardrobe inspiration. Starting with a timeless combo, a chunky knit sweater paired with high-waisted jeans. It's casual yet stylish, perfect for weekend brunches or cozy walks. Add ankle boots and a crossbody bag, and you've nailed the effortless fall vibe. Next up, layering, the heart of fall fashion. Wear a light turtleneck under a blazer or denim jacket. This combo adds instant sophistication while keeping you warm. Finish the look with neutral boots for that chic, city-ready feel. For a touch of elegance, go for a sweater dress. It's comfy, feminine, and looks amazing with knee-high boots. Add a belt to define your waist and accessorize with gold jewelry. You're ready for a dinner date or fall outing. Nothing says fall like flannel shirts. Pair your favorite flannel with skinny jeans and combat boots for a cool, laid-back vibe. It's simple, warm, and perfect for casual days out. Neutral tones are trending this fall. Think cream, camel, and beige. Try a neutral sweater, tailored trousers, and white sneakers for a classy minimalist look. It's an easy way to look polished with zero effort. Heart. Layer a flowy midi dress over a turtleneck and add a long coat. This mix of textures brings that soft, romantic fall aesthetic everyone loves. Finish with ankle boots or heeled loafers for extra charm. For something bold, go for oversized blazers with straight-leg jeans and chunky sneakers. Add a statement bag or sunglasses, and you're ready for that influencer street style moment. Keep it simple with a basic long-sleeve tee, puffer vest, and leggings. It's perfect for errands, school runs, or cozy days at home. Add a beanie for that extra fall touch. P.S. Choose one color family, like all beige or all gray. Play with different fabrics for depth: wool, knit, and leather. Monochrome always looks high-end and effortlessly stylish. And finally, invest in a statement fall coat: plaid, camel, or olive green. Throw it over any outfit and instantly elevate your style. It's cozy, chic, and a total game changer for chilly days. And that's it. 10 effortless fall outfit ideas to keep you chic all season long. If you loved these looks, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Glamour Mode, and stay tuned for episode 2. Capsule wardrobe essentials you'll wear on repeat. Thanks for watching, and remember, style doesn't have to be expensive to look amazing.